Welcome back to the channel. This is Sid and you are rolling with me, Sid. Well, today I have a video. Today is a video that I'm gonna do and it's gonna be on the Porsche Panamera GTS. I'm gonna tell you 5 things that I absolutely hate about this car. That's kind of hard to do, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna find 5 things that I hate about this car that I think could be better. Now keep in mind that this car is a great car. I love a lot about it, actually. So I'm really pressing when I'm telling you 5 things that I don't like. But I'm just telling you 5 things that could be better with the car. But overall, it's a good car. So stay tuned to the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Thank you to my old subscribers for your interacting with the channel and sharing and, you know, just supporting the channel. I appreciate you. If you're new here, I'm Cedric, rolling with Sid. Welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Come on over. You know what I'm saying? Help the channel grow, whatever. And we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna give you 5 things that I absolutely do not like about this car. Number 1. Turn that down. You have to put this in there, in order to start the car. That's number 1. I think for this being a 2014 that it should have been either push start and keyless entry. Also, on the outside, when you get on the outside with the keyless entry, it's okay, if the car is locked, you can't just come up to it like and open it. You have to actually get the key, unlock it, and then do it. I do not like that at all. I do not like that. Number 2, this car does not have Apple CarPlay. For 2014, other cars that's in this class, like the BMW 7 Series, the Mercedes S-Class sedan, they have Apple CarPlay. This one does not. This one has... Come on now. Yeah, this one does not have Apple CarPlay. That's number 2. I do not like that it does not have Apple CarPlay. It would be so much easier to just get in the car and the car just connects to your phone from Apple CarPlay. But it has Bluetooth, and it has the aux cord, and it has the iPod thing or whatever, but it just doesn't have Apple CarPlay. That's number 2. The third thing that I do not like is this. You see these little, look like cracks in the inside of the light. That's the third thing that I do not like about the Porsche Panamera. If you can look at it, can you see those little cracks in there on the inside? I do not like that. That's number 3. Is this what a DMV is? I gotta go to the DMV. The fifth thing and the final thing that I do not like about this car is the brake dust. As soon as you wash the car and drive off, brake dust is on the car. I do not like that. So I have to maybe change and switch up to ceramic pads. That's what I think I'm gonna do, switch to ceramic pads. But that's the fifth and final thing that I do not like about the Porsche Panamera is the brake dust. This video, those are the 5 things that I absolutely do not like about the Porsche Panamera. Are those 5 things? Write down in the comments what you guys don't like about the Porsche Panamera, or your car in general. In the comments, write down what you think could be better, or what you think, you know, could have improved for this car, year, and the make. So you guys, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit that notification bell for when I upload any videos. And until next time, you guys have a great and wonderful week. Today is Monday. Make it great. Whatever you do, just make it great. Everything's gonna be all right anyway. Everything always works out. So until next time, peace.